Breaking news. American Motors Corporation shuts down on June 20th, 1988. What the heck? Why would this error show me some stupid thing that happened in the past? This is 2022, so it's been almost 34 years since the company was shut down.
Today's fortune, your soul will be mine. Where with the flying heck? This is just creepy. You're not gonna take my soul, you double-faced idiot. There was an error reading the piss drive. Please retry. Well, crap. I guess I'm just going to click retry. Problem occurred while reading the piss drive. Please try again later. Well, dang it. I should have saved more storage on my drive. Now I'm going to buy another computer.
Give up your bottles of Scrumpy or you're going to get jump scared. No, I will not. Scrumpy is my favorite drink and you can't stop me.
Breaking news. Local man caught killing Captain Tully. Scout, you freaking murderer! Why did you kill Captain Tully?
Because she kept lying to me!
Scout, what would Miss Barring say when she finds out about this?
I don't know.
Okay, guys, what is going on now? Scout, why the freak did you kill Captain Tully? You freaking murderer!
Wait, Demo Man, I can explain.
Explain nothing! I'm calling the police!
Wait, Demo Man, don't call the police. Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry is not the answer. I'm still calling the police!
Here's a card for you. Okay, I'll take it. But this better not be a prank. It's a jump scare? What the heck? Free up 100 gigabytes from your computer. Buzz off. My storage is fine. Last chance. Free up storage or get jump scared. Now how many times I have to say it? My storage is freaking fine. Now get out of my sight, you freaking backstabbing idiot. Do you want to get jump scared? No, I'm not falling for that. I'm not gonna fall in for some joke like that. First I've been rickrolled, now a jump scare. I'm not falling for that. Now freak off.
Breaking news. White Wolf invades Lionelville. Oh crap. We need to save Lionelville before White Wolf destroys it.
That's why it's up to me to destroy her. You can't. She will try to charge at you. It's too dangerous, soldier. Let the Lionelville police take care of her. No, wait, medic. Soldier has a rocket launcher, and he just blowed her up. Oh yeah, I forgot he has a rocket launcher. Yes, soldier. Put the White Wolf out of her misery. Okay, medic. I will put that wolf out of her misery.